I threw out the picture from Brooklyn where we made out on the bridge. And I've driven 10 state lines, every night a different bed. Thought that Kentucky bourbon would stop the hurting, those Georgia peaches will make it easy. But everywhere I go, there you are. I guess you can't escape a broken heart. New towns, fresh faces, different bars. Still the same sun, moon, scars. Went out to Venice Beach, but had to leave when they started playing our song by Petty. That windy city just ain't as pretty without you making the memories with me. Yeah, those Vegas nights don't shine like your eyes, 3,000 miles and out of sight. But everywhere I go, there you are. I guess you can't escape a broken heart. New towns, fresh faces, different bars. Still the same sun, moon, scars. Maybe I can learn to leave you and me behind. If only we didn't live under the same sky. 'Cause everywhere I go, there you are.